Hi guys! In today's video, I will do a DIY hair mask from products that you can find at home easily. I know that kind of masks are not being appreciated anymore because people think they don't work, but I think they do. I've been using them and they work really good for me. Like this one, as you can see, my hair looks so shiny and soft. Also, I'm going to try and not use any filters on my face. As you can see, I do have acne, but I'm gonna start appreciating it. So I'm trying to not use filters anymore over here or on Instagram or anywhere. I hope that inspires you to appreciate your own body too. And yes, I changed my blue hair color to this brown. It was actually dark brown to match my natural hair color, but after so many washes over, like, I think I did it over 2 months ago, so it faded to this color, which I'm liking a lot. So my hair has been very dehydrated lately. That's why I wanted to do a mask, and this one really worked. It worked really well, so I wanted to share with you guys too. Let's get started on the video. So this is a 3-ingredient mask. First is papaya, which I'm going to add into the blender. And on top of that, I'm going to add some honey. The third ingredient is oat milk, which you may or may not have at home, but you can always just use rolled oats. And a little bit of water. That will work just fine. And we're gonna blend all of these together, and that's it. It should look something like this, like almost like a conditioner. It should have thick consistency. It should not be runny, so you can apply it on your hair easily and it doesn't drip down. So I'm going to tie up half of my hair and start on the other side. You can use brush or your hands, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. And I'm not applying it on my roots because this mask is more for the ends, because that's where my hair is the most dehydrated. So I'm just going to apply it all over my hair and leave it on for about 15 to 30 minutes. After that's done, I'm going to wash it like I normally would using my shampoo and conditioner. My hair feels so soft. I use nothing on it except my hair serum after I washed it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you try it, let me know if it worked for you, if it didn't, and have a great day. See you guys next time.